Hello, welcome sa ating BL at CBTL.
Hello.
Hello. So, ang ating story for today is this. GQ Jisoku den Naniga Warui. So, in short, what's wrong with using what's available?
Hindi
So,
pa
ito.
natin na ano yan?
No. Yan.
Okay.
So, summary. Rin and Nozumu have endured and suffered through 21 years of never being with a girl. One day, they realized they don't necessarily need a girl to go all the way and decided to use the most drastic measures. A very naughty love story between two clueless boys and their friendship. So, as mentioned, friends sila. So, graduate sila ng high school na wala silang mga jowa. So, at the moment, si Rin is working as doujinshi writer.
Mm-hmm.
And ang ginagawa niya ng doujinshi is Mirorin. Parang famous yung Mirorin. Nakailang manga na
Yung nababanggit
topic,
yun.
topic niya si Mirorin. So, Mirorin, yung ginagawa niya ng ng doujinshi. So, nung nag-usap sila na parang we're already this old and we still haven't had any girlfriend. And sabi naman ni Rin, I don't want a girlfriend. I just want to lose my virginity. So,
So anyway, possible ito.
sabi ni Nozumo, then just pay for it. Sabi ni Rin na I can't. Kasi pareho silang socially awkward. So, si Nozumo, pag kumakausap ng babae, nag-aalboroto yun siyan.
Okay.
Si Rin naman, kapag kumakausap ng babae, super trying hard that he comes off as very creepy.
Okay.
So, like, super trying hard siya. He comes off very creepy. So, yung mga babae, nilalayuan siya.
I would understand.
So,
okay.
di naisip nga nito ni Rin, why not you? I want to use my dick. So, and you're there, available. So, just, parang, you're going to be the woman. So, parang gano'n yung usapan
Yung
nila.
pego.
Oo. Di, nag-jack and boy sila.
Kung
Nag-jack
sino
and
ang
boy,
bottom?
hindi, kung sino ang magsusuot ng babae.
So kailangan naka-ano? Okay.
Oo, yung sila ang babae. So, ngayon,
So, ano to?
ang natalo sa Jack and Poy, si Nozumu.
Okay.
So ngayon si Nozumu yung nagdamit pang babae. Ang costume na sinuot niya is yung candy costume ni Mirorin. So medyo fluffy na something. Tapos sabi niya, I agreed to wear this because I lost
The Jack and Poy.
the
Junket.
Junken. But I didn't say I'm going to be the bottom.
Okay.
So, si Rin yung naging bottom.
Pero so, dito sa'yo.
Di, after may mangyari sa kanila, parang umiiwas itong si Nozumu. Tapos, medyo naguguluhan to si Rin. Bakit?
Mm-hmm. Siyempre.
Kinompronta niya after a few days. Bumili siya ng condom. Nagtatrabahong...
Alam mo, parang,
No.
hindi pa clear lang sa akin storya. Anyways, continue.
So, nagpunta siya sa convenience store kung saan part-time si Nozomo. Tapos, bumili siya ng condom. Tapos, no need for bag. We need to talk. So, nung pag-uwi after ng shift, they talk. Sabi niya, I have been avoiding you because you said you don't want me touching you and I've been controlling myself. No, after na mangyayari sa kanila, parang, na you don't want me touching you. And I've been waiting, I've been holding myself back because you said there's a next time.
You said there's a next time.
So,
Nag-aabang.
oo. So, yun na, sabi niya, there's no need to hold back, ganyan. Kasi, kaya lang pala sinabi yun, kasi nga masakit yung likod niya, dahil nga, you know, di yun, may nangyari rin sa kanila, ganyan. Tapos, nung afternoon, parang, every time they would have sex, every 2 or 3 days, ganyan, they would have sex, or something ganyan. And then, napansin niya nito ni Nozumu na, napansin niya, tama, napansin ni Nozomu na hindi na siya kinakabahan to talk with girls.
Okay.
Hindi na siya
So he
kinakabahan.
tried to talk to girls.
Sa ano siya, department store, ay sa convenience store siya nagtatrabaho eh. Sabi nung isa niyang kawork, hindi mo pa napapansin na yung mga babaeng bumibili sa atin has been flirting with you.
Oh.
So, ganyan.
Okay.
Tapos, may isang babae na, di ba, inabot na yung receipt. Tapos, binalik sa kanya yung receipt. No, I don't need the receipt. Kasi kasama na yung number.
Okay.
Sabi niya, it's really odd that it seems like I'm fine talking with girls now. Ganyan. Minessage niya yung babae.
Okay.
Pero sabi niya sa babae, I already like someone.
Okay.
I have someone I already like. Ganyan. Tapos, na-realize niya na parang may gusto na siya kay Rin. So, yun. Di nung pag uwi niya, sinabi niya kay Rin na, do you want to be on top?
Oh, nag-offer.
Kasi nagsabi kasi si Rin before na, oo. Kasi nga, ang gusto niya mawala yung virginity niya. Iba yung virginity na wala. So, yun. So, tapos, wait lang ha. Okay. So, yun. The afternoon, sabi niya, sa isip-isip niya, hindi na-realize ito yung pinapahiwatig ko. Hindi ganun. Kaya lang ito, may one time, ito medyo malapit na matapos to ha, chapter 5 na kagad. Sige lang. So, kasi yung karamihan ng chapters, puro journal lang sila. So, wala masyadong
nangyayari sa mga ibang chapters. Okay.
So, yes. So, tawag ito, bali ang nangyari is, pumunta siya ng signing event.
Dahil nga mag-united siya.
Hindi, pumunta siya ng signing event for Mirrorin event. Mirrorin event. So, So, nung pagpunta niya doon, nagpa-autograph nga siya, sinabi niya na for Rin, Chuba Chuba. Tapos may nakarinig na Rin, ganyan. Tapos, yung pala, yung nakarinig is yung babaeng kaklase nila before hindi nila kaklase, schoolmate nila before high school. Na he's kind of friends with, kasi medyo shabby si ate girl that time. Tapos nakasalamin, hindi siya popular. Ngayon, medyo payat na si ate girl and fashionable na siyang malamit.
Fashionista.
So, naisip-sip naman, before this, naisip-sip naman ni Rin na he needs to end what they have, Nozomu and Rin.
Because?
Kasi parang it's too much na daw. Hindi na normal for friends. So, ngayon, parang ang dating is, dumating yung opportunity.
Si ate girl.
Oo, si ate girl. Dumating yung opportunity na si ate girl. Kasi, nung paghiwalay nila, after nila mag-usap, they went to a cafe, ganyan. After nila mag-usap, si ate girl is, sinabihan si Rin na, why not me? If you don't have a girlfriend, can I be your girlfriend?
May na lang, parang gano'n.
Oo, ako na lang, ganyan. Pumayag ito si Rin. So, pag uwi niyang ganyan, tinext niya kasi before si Nozomu na I met this girl na dati na nagkaklase, Saka something. Sakamichi or yung apelido. Tapos sinabi niya kay Nozomu na yes, so she asked me to be her boyfriend and I agree, so now we're dating.
Okay.
So, ganun yung nagalit ngayon to si Nozomu. I mean, why didn't you ask me? Why didn't you tell me before? Why didn't you ask me? Na ganon. Nagalit siya na, in a way.
I don't understand.
Oo, bakit di mo ko tinanong? Bakit di ka nagsusunod? Bakit? Kasi parang,
ako sinabihan.
bakit? Why do I have to ask you? Ganon. Tapos noon, Dahil nga nagalit itong si sabi niya na, I love you, I chuba-chuba na, umamin na siya na, I have feelings for you, ganyan, ganyan.
Yeah.
Tapos, umalis siya. Nilayasan niya si Rin. Kasi roommate sila, housemate sila eh. Tapos, ilang araw na yata hindi umuwi, or 1 week or so na hindi umuwi si Nozomu. Tapos, he's been going on dates with the girl. Pero yung isip niya, wandering around, ganyan-ganyan. Tapos, sa isip-isip niya na he's always thinking of Nozomu, ganyan. He's wondering what he's doing, blah, blah, blah. And he hasn't been going home. He doesn't know where he's staying, ganyan. So, after ng isang date nila, she tried to kiss him, dates, pero kinis nila sa cheek. Pero magka-holding silang ganyan, pero kinis nila sa chicks. And then, they went home, separate ways. Pag-uwi niya, dahil iniisip niya si Nozomu, he kind of jacked off while thinking of Nozomu, and then pinaglaruan niya rin yung kanyang pets.
Okay.
Ganon. Habang iniisip si Nozomu, since botok nga siya, ganyan. Ngayon, tinawagan niya yung si ate girl.
Okay.
Nung tinawagan niya si ate girl, sabi niya, I'm sorry.
Break off niya.
I already have, I don't want to lie to you anymore. I already have someone I like. Ganyan. Tapos sabi niya na, tapos tinanong siya ni ate girl, are you going to be with that person? Sabi niya, no. I just can't lie to you anymore. Kasi hindi niya alam kung nasan si si Nozomu hindi naman din sinasagot yung tawag. So, yun, nakapag-break nga siya. Tapos may bumalabag sa labas. Yun pala, si Nozomu. Lasing. Sabi niya, he's been staying with the co-worker sa convenience store. And every night daw, he's been invited or forced to go sa single mixer. Sabi niya, that night daw, tonight, he went to a mixer but he snuck out. He snuck out and he went home. He was supposed to go to the friend's house. But instead, doon siya napatpad sa bahay ni Rin. Ngayon, sinabi niya na, I really missed you, ganyan-ganyan, and parang I love you, ganyan. And this, umamin na rin to si Rin na I love you too. Oo. So eventually, they became a couple.
In reality na.
Oo, totoo na yon. And then, sabi nung, sabi ni, So, yun lang yung parang pinaka niya pinaka din naging sila nga. For real na. Tapos, ayun na, sabi silang I love you with each other. Nung lasing si nasa labas pa sila ng bahay nun
Okay.
Ayun, nasa labas pa sila ng bahay.
Lasing syempre.
And so, I missed you, ganyan-ganyan. And then, I love you.
Hindi ka naririnig.
Teka, naririnig ako niyan. Ayan. Yun na yung end ng chapter 6. Tapos, chapter 7, they've been with each other for, for a month now. So, 1 month anniversary. Oo. So, may monthsary sila.
Okay.
So, yun. So, hindi lang daw siya, ito si, may monthsary siyang, pa-cake. So, sabi niya lang na ayaw niya maging big deal yun kasi parang ang corny daw. So, yun. Parang, tinanong siya, so, do you want to go back to being just friends? Because, they've been best friends for so long. Sabi na ni Rain, absolutely not. So, I love you so much and I can't go back. So, yun.
Yung ending.
Yun na yung ending and then nag-Georgia sila.
Usual. What's new?
Yeah. Ito yung itsura. Ito si Nozomu. Ito si Rain.
Siya talaga. Storya niyan.
So, yan.
Kwento mo din.
No.
No, I mean sa akin.
No.
Oh, yun eh.
Baka nabasa mo?
I don't know, maybe.
Kasi, ano lang to eh. So, ayan. Natalo siya sa, sa Jack and Poy.
Nagdamit siya.
Nagdamit siya. Hindi. Siya naman, oh.
Kaya nga.
So, turn on and then, of course.
So, first na sila.
Hindi pa din. Ayun. Yun ang ending. Very short lang siya. No? Oto mo 15 minutes na.
Contrast
Kasi-
din sa isa
oo.
na isa.
Kasi yan, Georgia sila ng Georgia lang eh. Kasi wala ba ako ibang ganap. Oh, hindi ko naman pwede i-detalye kung paano sila nag-Georgia, di ba? And I like this kasi yung nila, yung drama nila is not too much. Medyo comedy nga to pag binasa mo siya eh. Medyo comedy siya. Ang dami nilang nakakatawa. Para sila mga tanga. Para sila mga tanga. But, you know, in general, funny, lighthearted. Hindi grabe yung angst. So, that's why I can recommend. This is funny.
Okay.
So, yeah. That is all for our BL. At CBTL.
Tagal natin long last na maikli lang.
Oo.
Usually more than 20 minutes. Bye.